Hey everybody, it's Brian. This is our 8th C++ video. I'm going to be discussing type definitions, or TypeDef. What is TypeDef? Alright, let's say we want an unsigned short int, and we'll call it age 0. Well, as we know, that means it cannot be negative. It is a short integer, or very small integer, initialized to 0. As you can see, it will run perfectly fine. I mean, we've typed it correctly. So, what's a TypeDef? Well, let's imagine you want a couple of these. Whoops, got a little ahead of myself here. And we'll just call it A, B, C, and you guessed it, D. Well, that's a lot of copying and pasting. Now let's say we want to go back later and we want to get rid of the unsigned because we want to make these negatives. Well, then we've got to go back and delete unsigned out of each one of these. There's a simpler way, and I'm going to show it to you. It's called TypeDef. Type DEF. Now, TypeDef is short for type definition. TypeDef, and then you give it the type, and then a name, and we'll call it uShort. Now, what we're doing is we're creating an alias. So we're saying uShort is an unsigned short int. So we can actually replace all of these with uShort, and any additional ones we want to create, we can just type uShort. So it's much cleaner, much easier to read, but you would have to memorize what this means. Now, why would you use TypeDef? Well, like I said, if you had, say, 100 of these variables and you wanted to go and get rid of the unsigned, you'd have to go in and delete unsigned out of each one of those. Now, sure, you could refactor your code, but what if there's other variables that you need unsigned? Well, that can get tedious, and now you're manually going through your code. Let's compile this just to show you that it runs. So if you wanted to make that change with TypeDef, you would just delete it out of the definition. Still compiles. Very quick and easy. Nice way of changing your variable types. This is Brian. I hope you found this video educational and entertaining, and thank you for watching.